Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today I got a real banger for you as I take you through the process of finally buying the first apartment together with my wife. Now personally I already own 2 apartments, so that's going to be my 3rd apartment, but together with my wife it's actually our 1st apartment. I'm going to take you through the process, how we sign it at the notary, and then obviously take you to the place itself. It's not yet finished, so it's going to be a process. I'm obviously going to document it on this channel, but I think it's really exciting. It's going to be in Vilnius, Lithuania, the place. My previous places are in Dubai, so it's going to be first in Europe, so to say, and really excited to show you. But before we get to it, tonight is actually a really important night because it's one of the biggest, fanciest black tie event of the year in Vilnius, where I'm invited together with my wife. So I have to get dressed up. And as you know, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I actually have a full-time job. So as part of my job, I have to go there and be part of the social circle, which I quite enjoy every once in a while. Other times I do like wearing my black shirts, but for this occasion, I better dress up a little bit more. So with this, I'll see you in a second. And here we are, guys. There we go. Slightly different than you normally used to see me in my black t-shirt. And here my beautiful wife. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. All right, ready for the big event?
Ready for a big event.
Let's do this. Alright guys, that was a really fun night, I must say. Drank a little bit more than I should have probably, but hey, it's Christmas, it was a good occasion, and yeah, really had a good time, but not too hangover. And that's good because actually today we have a really big occasion. So now we're heading to the notary to finally sign off our agreement for the new apartment. So that's gonna be a very big moment. Probably the 2nd biggest contract I'm signing just after my marriage agreement. So yeah, very special moment. Going with my wife there, went through the contract, and that's actually a really nice little hack because with the contracts, I mean, they're really big from the bank, from the apartment. I think about over 30 pages and most of it in Lithuanian. And you know, I'm trying to learn a little bit Lithuanian, but I'm definitely not fluent in legalese, so to say. So one good hack that you can do if you feel comfortable sharing a little bit of your details, which in my case, I am, you know, nothing to hide. I put it up to ChatGPT. And actually, it came back with a lot of good feedback. I asked it to basically summarize the agreements for me and highlight any points that I should be aware about that could be potentially a little bit worrying or what have you. It was so good. It came back within 20-30 seconds, went through all the pages, highlighted in a few bullet points, and really gave me some good ideas and points that I will address with the notary before signing. But yeah, honestly, that's a real hack if you feel comfortable sharing some of the details. In my case, I'm not really too worried. Again, it's up to you. You can, of course, take out any personal information if you wanted to before uploading it, but it's definitely a good hack. With this, let's go to the notary and let's get it done. Alright guys, it's done. We just signed the contract. Whoa, I mean, that's really nice feeling, and honestly I'm super happy. Everything went super smoothly. I asked a few questions. The notary was actually quite surprised that I brought it up. He hadn't heard any of those questions before, so it just shows ChatGPT did work. So yeah, but then I felt very comfortable. We signed the agreement, they gave us the key, so I'm super excited to drive up there, take you with me, and show you the first glimpse of what the place will look like. Here it is, a beautiful new home. It's gonna be the whole area over here. So yeah guys, we gotta go inside here and check it out. No.
Gal kadastrą bus 23, parodykit man raktelį.
Nes jau nemusų žinoti.
Ne, skundus.
Tai ne 14, naujas 14. Tai 23, tai jūsų kitas, laikykit.
Aha, this side.
Nes yra projektas.
Šitas.
Pasakėt 14, tai
Okei, va, tai pavam čia šitas, taip,
taip, pagal kadastrą bus
Okay.
14.
And this is the beautiful rooftop terrace over here. The showstopper. This is very nice. Very nice. All the forest here. Look at this. You like it?
Tokia laisvė, tokia riblėta.
Jums reikėtų su pardavimais dirbti, jūs gerai čia tikrai dar taip, nu, jo, gražiai nupiešėte
Labas, Dėla.
paveiksliuką.
Super. Lietus lyja po stogeliu palindai. Kiaušinį pasidarai kažkokį, kepi kažką ir...
Faktas.
Very nice.
Nors šitas pirmiau buvo parduotas, negu...
Definitely super, super nice. All in the forest, in the woods. Really love it.
Nu.
Alrighty, here we are. New apartment. Woo! We did it. Amazing. So nice. So nice. After 2 years of looking around, finally we found a place in beautiful Vilnius. So yeah, a lot of work to be done, as you can see. But with my amazing wife, we're gonna make something happen. So I'm sure.
Yay!
We'll find it. But yeah, we're gonna probably move around some of those walls to make the living room a bit bigger, because you can see that's gonna be the living room over here. It's a little bit tight, so we're gonna push this wall back a bit. But you know, this view is really just super, super nice. 40 square meter terrace right in the woods. There can't be anyone there. 45 even. So yeah, really, really amazing. And yeah, I don't know, maybe the kitchen then over here, the fireplace there. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, you approve it also, madam? So yeah, super cool. And the stairs, something we have to figure out. Alright, just came back from the apartment, still full of emotions. And now, actually, I forgot to buy my stocks for the week. So let me take you with me through the process and show you how I do that. Alright guys, just because I'm buying an apartment doesn't mean I can't buy my stock. So actually what I'm doing right now is doing my weekly stock buys. So what I do usually go over here on Seeking Alpha, which is my stock research platform of choice, where I do all my analysis, etc. So here I already have my portfolio, which links up with my Interactive Brokers account. I usually go ahead here and filter by daily change. So I can see, you know, what's trending up, what's trending down on the day. So for today, I see actually Realty Income, one of my favorite REITs, down 1.7% almost, so that's a huge drop. Google as well, but actually since Google doesn't really pay a dividend at this stage, not that keen. But then we have Pepsi also down 1.13%, almost reached its 52-week low and slowly edging towards a 3% dividend, which is usually my kind of minimum that I want to buy into. So honestly, looking at those, I'm probably going to buy some Realty Income and some Pepsi. And then basically from here, I head over to my Interactive Brokers account, go into my portfolio over here, click into it. It will pull up all the portfolio that I have over here, filtered by market value. And from here, I can just very easily go into my Realty Income, click on that. Then all I have to do over here, click on buy, go ahead and select from shares to USD. It's already pre-populated with 250, which is my usual buy. Check the prices, click on preview over here. Commission, very reasonable. That's what I love about Interactive Brokers. And then just click on transmit order down here. And boom, order has been filled. There you go. And then we go back into the portfolio over here. I can see already a blue dot over there. Shows that the buy went through. And now, as I said, I want to buy some more Pepsi. So let's click into Pepsi over here. Once again, head over to buy. Select USD shares, 250. Preview. I can see all the things I need to buy. But I'm pretty fine with that. Go ahead, click transmit. And boom, there you go. some more Pepsi shares. And now basically if I go back into my Get Quinn account, which is the dashboard and portfolio tracker that I use for all my various holdings that I have, it will be auto-synced probably tomorrow. It usually takes a day, so it's not immediate. It's a shame, but still better than nothing. I don't have to do anything about it, and I will basically see it over here in the transaction column. It will pop up over here, and then the cool thing, automatically my dividends, which you can see right now, will go from 1k 31 euros to tomorrow a higher amount because I bought some nice dividend stocks. So that's really, really good and always exciting to see. So I usually log in next day to see how that number improved. And there you go, guys. No excuse not to buy your dividend stocks. Even if we just bought an apartment, I still continue to dollar cost average every single week. And even though it was Friday today, I should have done it earlier. Still, I commit to buying every single week because time in the market always beats timing the market. All right, guys, here we are. Excuse the mess. We're still about in the process of moving apartments and so on, wrapping up all the stuff and, sending it to different places. So yeah, please don't judge the background. It's a little bit messy, but anyways. Well, as you saw, it was quite a few active days, and I think the next coming days are going to be even more active. A lot of things happening. Obviously now a lot of process will start. We're going to have to decide on the designers we're going to work with, because actually what we'll do, we're going to renovate and decorate the apartment while we're abroad. So it's going to be a remote job. So we really have to find somebody you can really trust and rely on. I think that's super important. They have a good partner that is doing something nice, because we want to have something really Instagrammable and good looking and, impressive in a way. At the same time, I have a channel on being smart with your money, so I want to make it at a financially reasonable amount. I don't want to overspend, obviously. So yeah, really looking forward to bringing our own taste and design elements into it and making our own first apartment, then finally getting to sleep into it, because the other two apartments I actually rented out. I never got to sleep a single night in it. So I'm really quite excited to, hopefully by the summer, it should take around 6 months, we'll have it finished and then be able to spend a few nights, and then we'll see if we either live there or rent it out. Honestly, remains to be seen. That's something I'll keep you updated in coming videos, but really excited for this. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want more of it, let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll be making more of those in the future. Next up, check out this video over here. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.